Welcome to Cooking with Cindy. My name is Cindy Lorimer, and we are doing the Winter Holiday Special Edition, where I am sharing with you my winter holiday menu, the one that I will be having and serving on Christmas Day. So today we will be making crispy potatoes. My husband and my kids love this recipe. It's very British. My husband's British, so they love this. I love this. It's quite a treat and very simple to make. To be honest, most of my recipes, if not almost all of my recipes on my winter holiday menu, is easy breezy, meaning it is so quick, simple, easy to make. Certainly not like all the Vietnamese dishes that I do. So if you want to tackle any of these recipes, it's really easy to do. Anyway, okay, so today I have Yukon potatoes. I love using Yukon potatoes for mashed potatoes, for roasted potatoes like this. The only time I don't like using Yukon potatoes is when I'm making my scallop potato recipe, which is also part of my winter menu, and that I use russet potatoes. If your Yukon potatoes are small like this, I would just cut them in half. Sometimes Yukon potatoes can be a bit bigger, and if that's the case, you cut them into fours. But in this case, mine are small, so I'm just gonna cut mine in half. And now I soaked these potatoes in water after I peeled them so that they don't turn brown and oxidize. So if you're not planning to use your potatoes right away, I recommend soaking them in water. Okay, so I have a pot of water boiling back there. Let's come on over, and then we're gonna dump these and boil them. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of baking soda in my boiling water. The reason why I am putting baking soda in there is I want very crispy potatoes, and in order to do that, the baking soda, look at that. It's like a science experiment. The baking soda will break down the surface area of the potatoes, which then releases its starch. And then that means when I place it in the oven and bake it, it's gonna be nice and crispy. Okay, so we are going to be boiling this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. So let's take this out. So I have 2 rosemary sprigs that I'm gonna add here. Then I'm gonna drizzle olive oil. So you want a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this is 1.5 pounds of Yukon potatoes. And then just drizzle it all over. Toss this. See the surface area here, how it's cooked off like that? That's what's gonna create a nice crispiness, but you wanna make sure you have enough olive oil. Then what you wanna do is you wanna place the cut part of the potato facing down, right? So then it'll be nice. This area will be nice and crispy when it's baking. So my oven has been preheating at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put this in here for 50 minutes, turning it halfway through. Now everyone's oven is gonna be slightly different. Just keep an eye on it and then see if you need the entire 50 minutes. You might not. So let's put this baby in. And we come back after 25 minutes. Okay, this is the halfway point. Zoom in and so you can see this. That is a beauty. Oh my God. Like perfectly golden brown, right? Oh, gorgeous. Stunning. Even I'm impressed. Oops. Okay, let's put this back in for another 25 minutes. There you go. 45 minutes have passed, and look at this. Again, check your oven, right? Because even though I say 45 minutes or even 50 minutes, every oven's gonna be different. So at the very last 10 minutes or so, keep watching it. But look. And what's nice is you can taste of the rosemary. Beautiful. Bye.